The Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 says rail stations will implement COVID-19 protocols similar to those in the airports before resumption of train services, as the need to set up those protocols have been discussed with the Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amechi.
So just before we went into this phase, we did liaise with the Honorable Minister of Transport to discuss what could happen to the trains. And what was very clear is that some of the measures that were put in place by the aviation sector also need to be implemented by the railway sector. So we had a long discussion with him, and we'll be writing formally to him to ask that a clear policy revolving around the COVID restrictions in terms of physical distancing, reducing congestion, mass gatherings, etc., applies to the railway sector before they can start operating. So that timeline depends on how quickly they're able to put things in place. But what we do know is that we're not going to have the same number of people in carriages, for instance, when the railways start working. And a lot of the measures will be very similar to the measures that have already been applied by the aviation industry.